everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to check whether two strings are anagrams. So firstly, let us understand what are anagrams. So an anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. Now we'll understand this with the program. So here this defines a function named Anagrams that takes two parameters here, string 1 and string 2. The purpose of this function is that it will determine whether these two strings are anagrams or not. Okay, so in the next line here, this removes the spaces. Here str1.replace removes all the spaces from string 1, and here str2.replace removes all the space from the str2 means string 2. Now here return sorted, this sorts the character and converts the string into a list of character and sorts them in an alphabetical order. And we all know here this lower method ensures the comparison is case insensitive, so this converts to case insensitive order. Now for the next line here the function checks if the sorted string 1 is equal to the sorted string 2. If both the sorted list are the same, it means string 1 and string 2 are anagrams. And it returns true if the string are anagrams, otherwise it returns false. Now for the next line here, this first line takes the input from the user and to enter the first string, and the second line takes the input from the user to enter the string 2. Now in the next line, in this line, the input string 1 and string 2 are passed to the function Anagram, and the function processes the string to determine if they are anagram and returns true or false. So now for the next line here, if the function returns true, the program moves to the if block, and when true, if the string are anagrams, a message is displayed that indicating they are anagrams, or in the else part, if the strings are not anagrams, the program moves into the else block and displays this method. So let's check this program. So we'll check this for a anagram string. So I'm entering an anagram string as listen and silent, as both the characters in the entered string are same. Hence listen and silent are anagrams. We can check for non-anagrams also. Hence hello and world are not anagrams. So thanks for watching this video.